Excuse me. Good afternoon, guys! Katapos ko lang mag-paint ng nails. Hapon na ngayon. I'm just preparing a list kasi mag-grocery shopping kami ngayon. We didn't go grocery shopping yesterday. We did go to Costco. I did a vlog yesterday. Pero nagpunta kami ng Costco, bumili lang kami ng oil, rice, kasi diba sa Costco, ano siya? Like yung in bulk, some bulk. Wala akong tripod. Gagamitan ko siguro ito. Napakita ko to sa haul ko na ang tagal ko na film, pero hindi ko pa na-upload. Yun yung tinatawag ko ng Divisoria, online Divisoria something, kasi mamura lang ng mga ano. Pero hindi ko pa siya na-upload. Na-upload ko na siya, pero hindi ko pa siya na-publish. Pero ito yung gagamitin ko. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng connector na mako-connect ko siya sa aking camera. Naka-order na ako ng bagong tripod. Nag-order ako ng kagaya ng kay Roslyn. Nag-order ako sa AliExpress. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko pa yun matatanggap. So, I need a new tripod. Pero for now, I will use this. And then, kailangan ko din finalize yung visa ko today for Japan. No, visa application form ko for Japan. And lahat ng kailangan nila kasi isi-ship namin siya today. Ipopost namin siya today para mapunta siya sa Melbourne and para ma-process nila yung aking visa. So, dito na lahat. Dito yung aking passport picture, guys. Hahaha, look at that. Joke ko naman. Yung eyebrows ko, look at my eyebrow. Tingnan nyo yung aking eyebrow. See? Nakaganon talaga yung aking eyebrow, oh. Yan ang hindi ko mapipigilan talaga. Minsan talaga gumaganon siya ng kanya lang. Oh, nakuha ko din yung aking flybys na card today. Ito. Parang kung nasa Pilipinas tayo, ito yung SM Advantage card. So, meron ako flybys. Pwede ko ito siya gamitin sa Target, Kohl's, Adidas. Marami pa actually. Nakita ko dun sa ano. It's not focused. Oh yeah, now it is. Hello, babe. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Pupunta kami ng... Where are we going? Campbellton? Library. Pupunta kami ng library to have a photocopy of my passport. Kasi I need it for the visa. Shoot, it's very, very bumpy. And I don't have tripod. But yeah, that's what we're doing. 20 cents per page. Maybe they can do like multiple passport pages in one page. I'm pretty sure they can do that. It's Australia. They can do it.
Can't, I can't do that.
They're smart. What? What do you mean?
I don't think I can do it.
They can do it. They just need to set it something or whatever, but basta they can do it. They trust me. You trust me?
Nope.
Nope. Relationship goals. We're here sa library and it's drizzling. Yes. Bye. Do you know where to go? We're here, so you gotta do it yourself, guys. You gotta pay 20 cents in here, right there. And then it will print. I have one page down, one more. Wala na kaming coins. Bibili na lang siya doon ng ano. Kailangan namin 2 pages na lang. So 40 cents na lang. Wala na kaming coins. We are done! We cannot post it today kasi close na yung post office. I will post it tomorrow morning. I will walk to the post office. It's close. So we will go grocery shopping. 1? No. 2. Bring 2. Yep. Ito lang yung nasa lista ko, konti lang. Magtitinola kami ngayong gabi para matry ni Dan yung tinola. Are you excited to try the tinola? No, that's mean, babe.
What is it?
It's the chicken with soup that I cooked.
Oh, when are you making that? Tonight?
Tonight!
Oh, I wasn't sure what you're making. Okay. Yeah, I am excited.
You're so full of it.
I am extremely excited.
You just said no.
I'm extremely excited.
You're extremely
No, I am
ecstatic.
so-
You're ecstatic,
No,
babe.
actually, I am.
Yeah, it's good. I'm not sure if you will like it
I
though.
don't want to use the trolley today.
Can we use that? Oh, babe, that's a perfect trolley.
I don't want to use that one today.
No, use that one. I like this one. It's a small trolley. Good boy. Come on. Dito kami sa reject shop. Tingnan namin kung meron sana silang puzzle but they don't have puzzle. But we will get Glad wrap and then
see that? What's
no,
that?
not Glad wrap, cling wrap, and then baking paper. They don't have it here. If they will have puzzle, it's gonna be a chocolate puzzle. Oh, that's $10. I don't like that. This is cheaper, $4.
Well, these are the same, but
Why does it say $4 in there? Oh, coloring puzzles.
I just don't know.
What's the difference? Tower 8. Eiffel Tower. Ooh, that's really, really hard. So this one is $6. Oh, paper kits. That's different. Look, this is cute. What is this? They have puzzles, but ala, I don't know. Coloring book. Nah, tsaka boy.
Are good?
No good. Pupunta kami ng Kohl's because we have flybys na. We will be using the flybys for the very first time here at Kohl's.
Should I get this one?
We're getting bread. Okay. We're getting this because I'm trying peanut butter crunchy. Sabi ni Don, ito yung magandang brand na na-try niya. Kraft. So yeah, yan lang yung laman muna ng aming ano. We will get salmon for his lunch and then we are done. Di ako mahilig sa peanut butter, guys. So I don't know kung bakit kinuha ko to. Pero ito-try ko siya. And then we got bread to go with that. And then we're good. Ano ba? Ay, ito pala ipakita ko sa inyo. This sabi nila okay daw to pang coffee. So I got that instead of my niece biscuit. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Magmamagnet siya. Nagsa-stop siya ng kanya lang. Oh, cool. Haha, welcome to Australia. See. He's not holding it. See. That's cool. Leave it, babe. Maybe don't touch it at all. We'll see what happens. It will go straight. Yeah, right? It will move? No, not really, because this is still a magnet. So the front will go and then... You're so stoops. We're back. Nakapatong kayo sa box tapos sa chocolate and salted caramel na ano. Wala akong tripod! Yung isang tripod na gagamitin ko sana, it doesn't work. So, kailangan ko siya basta-basta. Ito, magluluto ako guys ng tinola kasi si Dan is not feeling well. And I feel like yung tinola is maganda para sa dun. We got this wraps. Hala, $2.25 lang pala to, babe. It's only $2.25, the wrap. It's square this time, hindi yung round. Pero that's alright. We will have wraps for dinner another night kasi nagustuhan ni Dan yung wraps. Diba sabi ko naman sa inyo masarap? Try nyo guys. And then salmon, we got 3 for his lunch. So, dalawang merong seeds. Tapos isang plain. We got ginger. Ito guys. Ginger, ano to? Mga 40 pesos na ata to. Mga almost $2 yung ganito kaliit na ginger. Gagamitin ko yan tonight. And then we got chicken breast and chicken thighs na fillets. Ano siya? Para sa wraps. And then cucumber. Para din sa wraps. And that's it. Yun lang. Babe, do you put this in the fridge? Yeah. Okay. Yung kailangan mo sa tinola is ito, sayote. Choco yung tawag nila dito guys. Choco. Napaka-weird, no? Choco. And then, onion. Tapos, garlic. And then, hala, shit, babe. No, I can't make tinola. We don't have the mix. So stupid. Tinola mix. The one that you get at the Asian... Yeah.
Oh.
Can we get one now?
Okay. Where's that?
Shit, I forgot. I'm sorry.
That's
Asian grocery.
Alright, let's get one.
Let's go. Oh, shoot.
It's not a big deal.
Ito pala, nabili ko sa ano, nabili namin sa Costco kahapon. Kasi sabi ni Roslyn, ito daw sa lahat na na-try niya na patis, ito daw yung pinaka-okay. So yeah, squid fish sauce. Let's go, babe. Which one? Catalina?
She's a good bird right now. He can lay yes.
The bird? A plane?
And the crashed into the
A plane crashed?
Yeah, there's a little plane.
Wow. Ooh, she's pretty.
Yeah, they're partners. He's a lot older.
She's pretty. Let's go. Guys, kainis. Wala. Nagpunta kami sa 4 na Asian grocery na malapit sa amin. Wala. And yung feeling ko meron kasi malaki sila. Close na din sila in 15 minutes. Ang layo yun, hindi na kami aabot. So, nakakainis. Gusto ko pa naman sana magtinola kasi si Dan, he's not feeling well and perfect ata yun sa kanya. Meron akong sinigang mix dyan. Try ko nga. So, ito yung niluto ko, guys. Kasi binigyan ako ni Roslyn ito. Ito, yung hinahanap namin kanina. Nakakaloka. Akala ko meron kami dito kasi napunta kami sa... umalis kami kahapon, diba? Nagpunta kami sa Costco pala. Hindi pala kami nagpunta sa Asian Grocery kasi gutom na ako. Pumunta kami ng Costco diretso. Pero yeah, ito sana yung gusto kong lutuin. Pero meron kami nito. So, ito na yung luto ko. Bigay sa akin to ni Roslyn lahat. Thank you, Roslyn. Looks like that. Sinigang. Bakit ganyan? Di ba dapat clear yan? Pero hindi siya clear. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa ko. And hindi ko sure kung actually, feeling ko hindi ito magugustuhan ni Dan. Kasi ano siya, di ba? Ano siya? Ano ba yung tawag doon? Sour. Ano ba yung sour sa Tagalog? Maasim. So, hindi ko sure kung magugustuhan niya to. Like, maasim na ulam. Pero okay lang sa akin. And meron siyang gabi, yung mix. Meron siyang gabi. So, medyo malapot. Tama ba yung Tagalog? Kung malapot yung ano niya, yung sabaw niya. Gustong-gusto ko lang talaga magsabaw. Nakakalungkot kanina. Galit na galit. Hindi naman galit, pero wala ako sa mood kanina nung hindi namin nahanap yung tinola. Nagpunta kami sa isang grocery, Asian grocery. Nandun lahat ng mamasitas. As in, nakalinya guys. Lahat mamasitas. Pero wala yung tinola. Sa lahat ba naman yung tinola pa yung wala? Nakakaloka to si kuya. Anyway, tapusin ko lang to. Nagsisimmer na siya. And then, after nyan, kakain na kami. I don't think magustuhan niya to, pero we'll see. Ganito yung itsura ng sinigang, guys. Hindi siya puti. I think okay lang, diba? Na hindi puti. Puti ba yun dapat yung sinigang? Hindi ko alam. Uy! Pero first time ko magluto na to. Walang ingredients na marami. Hindi ko na copy yung sa panlasang Pinoy kasi wala naman akong ingredients. Meron talagang nakachill lang na mangga dyan. Kakainin naman yan later. Pero yeah, yun yung sinigang. Masarap siya. Hindi ko pa siya nakain na bongga. Tinikman ko lang, masarap. We'll see kung maging reaction na dito. You can sit there. No, they can't see you, babe. Don't worry, they cannot see you. They can't.
Thank you. So this is a double or is this jalapeno?
No, this is sinigang.
Okay.
This is not adobo. Oh my gosh, it's sour. We'll see. Hindi ko siya i-film kasi nakahubad ng shirt. Sige na, babe.
Okay.
Don't put a lot yet. You might not like it. Taste the soup.
That's alright.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah, it's alright.
It's really sour.
Yeah, that's not too bad. Popular Filipino dish.
Yeah.
Tastes good.
Hmm?
Chicken tastes good, babe. You're really good at doing this chicken.